Good morning, guys! Good morning, guys. You're gonna be playing kick a lucky block. What Sigma is that, right?
Just play it, dude.
Yeah,
That's what the video's about.
yeah. We're gonna be playing with this game. So let's check it out. No more flops. What the Sigma's that name, bro? But don't underestimate it. It might become a popular game.
Nagustuhan nila nga po sayaw.
Oh. Okay. Welcome to Kick a Lucky Block. Whoa! What's this? What is this? Kick. Do I kick this? Okay, I kick. What? I accidentally kicked it. This is an accident, bro. Wow. Oh, it spins. Dirila. Oh, yeah, I have to get it. Oh, shoot. I have to.
Nag-ikot.
Oh, this is so cool. What the Sigma? I got it now. Oh, this guy's training. You can train. Oh, so that's how you get faster. That's so cool, right?
Yeah, and
Wait, what? Yo, look at this guy's base, bro. Dang. Can I steal this? It costs Robux 800, bro. Come on, let's just place this. Yay. I got some money. Upgrade. Okay. Go to the weight shop. We're gonna be training ourselves. Pro lifter. You look skinny though. My muscles are already bigger than yours. Okay. Wooden stick. Oh, not yet. Let's train somewhere else. Okay. Look, aura. Mosesaru sinisika sa bope mo. Ikasirani nisika na mo baso beso. Baso beso papa. Mosesaru sinisika na si mana. Okay, just keep clicking. Just keep clicking. Just keep clicking. Just kick. It's been 2 minutes already. Okay, stop. Okay, let's go to Grandma Speed Upgrader. $0, $0.
Ola.
Plus 1 speed.
Si Taki ang una.
Okay, let's kick. Let's go as far as we can. Okay, kick.
Kicken.
Wait.
Jairos.
Excellent.
Anuin mo nga yung kicken.
Zoom!
Ah.
Oh. Ballerina cappuccino. Please. I don't wanna die. I'm ballerina cappuccino and too beautiful to die. Oh, I got her now. $19. Yes. Let's put her right here. That okay. We have trash, but hopefully we could get a good brain rot. I don't have enough cash. I have $3.
but that one only has, look, that one does,
Yeah.
what, not 200, has 260.
Yeah. Okay, now
No.
boom. Upgrade this, upgrade that. Then left, right, left. Oh, no more cash.
Look,
Looks like I need to get your money. Right, left. I can't.
Oy, kicken. Dali na.
Right,
Nila kicken.
right,
Sabi ni
left,
mami mo,
right.
pagdating nila, kailangan
Right,
ako sa
left.
kay Jairos.
Okay. Don't mind that. Now let's kick. No, not yet. We need to train our legs. Mosesaru sirisi ka na sa bobe mo. Ikasinani nisi ka na mo baso
Tapos mo kumain. Mag-ano ka na?
Kumakain pa po ako ng bayenda.
Balikan mo na lang yan. Magkasama mo ka na doon.
Guys, just please don't mind that.
Yeah, just don't mind that. What's this? No. Mosesaru sirisi ka na sa bobe mo. Ikashimani nisi ka na mo baso beso. Beto, Papa. It's been 5 minutes already. What? Okay, let's stop. I can only make 15-minute long videos because I didn't verify yet. Okay, let's kick.
Excellent.
No. Ikasimani ni sikana bubaso beso ubaso be. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa!
No!
Oh! 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 Run, run, run!
Go, 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 my God.
Gangster foot Terra. Please. I don't want you to die. Gangster foot Terra. It's a foot. It's stinky. But it has aura though. Aura. Okay, let's place him right here.
No,
Okay.
but the value in it. It's
Wait,
like
upgrade
300
that.
per second.
Upgrade. Okay.
Look at that.
3K, 12K, $945. Now let's train. Moses salu siri si kana sa bobe no. Kasi mapini si kana bo baso biso so aso beso ba. Training music. Up, down, 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 up, down.
There's rice crumbs everywhere.
Okay, we can do this. What? That guy carries gold sticks, bro. How's he so strong? Okay, I can do this. I'm training with Noob Nako. Noob Naiko.
Ano na ako?
It's a Filipino translation. It means I'm now a noob. So shout out to Noob Nako 7 because he's a friendly dude and he doesn't mess with anyone. Okay, let's stop training. Let's kick. Moteta ruti
Bro, you
niti
need
kana
some
sa
rubber.
obeno. Ika sinani ni si kana mo but Ronaldo kick. Don't say no. Paso beso so. Go run. Oh dililu. Run. Run. Bro, they don't even have walking animations, bro. We did it. Let's kick again. Moteta nuti niti kana sabo peno ikatina di misi kana bubaso beso so hanto beso ma mosena musi just die. Oh, it's gold, but just die. There. Just kick again.
Run upgrade.
Run up. No.
Run upgrade.
We need to kick. Let's get some weights. Weights here. 7K. 75. Oh, we need to set the bone barbell.
That's all.
Okay. Oh, not yet. Mutiniti kana. Tabo beno. Ikani matimiti kana. Mo baso biso. Ah, so pero bap. Pada piti kana. Simana. My legs are being muscular now. My legs are getting muscular. We've got a new barbell, bro. This video will only be maybe 14 minutes long because I can make 15-minute videos. Okay. Let's stop. Let's see the difference.
Full. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent.
What? Messi.
Please,
Let's see.
Boneka ang balaw.
Bro, just die. It's just $25.
What's the golden one?
Yeah, but it's not good. It's skibidi.
Wait, run! Upgrades,
Let's
man.
kick.
Excellent.
Let's go. Boom. Boop. Whoa, it's that again. Just die. Mo Cesaru Sinisika sa Bobeno. Kasi just die. Okay. We need to kick perfect.
Run upgrades, bro.
Bro, I want to kick first.
Great.
Bro, that's just why great kick?
Dead.
Let's see.
Just die.
Oh, come on, man. Beber patapin.
22.
That's lower than the other one.
Just die.
It's because of your kick reaction time test. Speed upgrade. Upgrade your speed here. +7, +11 speed. Alright. There we go. Okay. Now let's get their money. Okay. Let's put Tatata Sahur. Tatata Sahur.
Wow, it's 72 per second.
It's nice. No, 400.
429. 1.7k.
Wait, did they just become bigger? Oh, not enough cash. So that's why. Okay. Let's kick. Wait, no, let's get money first. Okay, now let's kick.
Jaros, you need run upgrades. Oh yeah, you already up.
Oh, it's already 11 minutes. Kick. Perfect kick.
Excellent.
Almost.
Boom. Run the brainer at 6 coins.
Boom. Let's see.
Bombito. Just
77. That just sucks, bro.
Just stay AFK. There's
Wait,
a
why is-
bombadillo
how's-
crocodilo.
Wait, you can pass through trees. Did you know that? Just die. I don't like that.
There's a bombadillo.
What's this guy carrying? Oh, he's carrying plates. Kick.
Great.
Oh man. I have great.
We're only good. Please. Die.
Please be
Just die.
good. Please. Oh, he has a blue suit now.
Bro, 12 minutes.
Oh, 34. No. Whoa, diamond. It's diamond though. But it makes 34 per second. No. Let's train ourselves.
Oops.
So we can get. So we can
Bro,
buy.
12 minutes is done now, bro. 12 minutes already, man.
Yeah, we need 40 minutes. This video will end at 4 minutes and 10 seconds, okay?
4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yes, we will.
Oh, you mean 14 minutes and 10 seconds.
Shout out to Marco, this guy. Shout out to Marco for being Marco. Now we kick, guys. Okay? Kick like this, guys, okay? This is how you kick. Learn from your coach. This is how you kick. Okay, this is how.
Where's the charger, Ken?
Can
It's over
you
there.
put
What?
It's at the red.
it? It's not
It's over
good.
there.
Thank you. Five ways and shades of green.
Excellent.
Kick. Mm.
Ronaldo.
Wow, that's so far.
Almost
It's
past
actually
that.
kind of far. It's that again.
Just die. I
No,
wanna
it's not
die.
good. What? Ken said he wants to.
No.
Okay, let's get some money first. Wait, we can afford the next barbell. Wait, he has a bowl cut. Why does he have to get a bowl cut? Epic stone block. That's 75k. Oh,
Let's see the final.
copper plate. I have 500k. I can afford that. I can afford it.
Wait, what's the final one?
Okay. No.
Oh, it is.
Oh, this is 14 minutes already. Okay, bye guys. Wait, let's train a little. Train it a little. Train it a little. Okay, bye guys. I can't make 15-minute long videos.